A culinary journey, exploring traditional Chinese cuisine. Chinese cuisine is renowned for its rich flavors, diverse ingredients, and time-honored cooking techniques. From the sizzling stir-fries of Sichuan to the delicate dim sum of Guangdong, traditional Chinese cuisine offers a culinary journey like no other. In this essay, we will explore the art of cooking and savoring authentic Chinese dishes, delving into the cultural significance, cooking methods, and the joy of indulging in these delectable creations. Chapter 1: The Essence of Traditional Chinese Cuisine. At the heart of traditional Chinese cuisine lies a deep respect for balance and harmony. The concept of yin and yang, the balance of opposing forces, is reflected in the careful selection of ingredients and the meticulous preparation of dishes. Whether it's the fiery heat of a spicy hot pot or the subtle sweetness of a steamed fish, each dish aims to achieve a harmonious blend of flavors, textures, and colors. This emphasis on balance not only tantalizes the taste buds, but also nourishes the body and soul, making Chinese cuisine a holistic experience. Chapter 2: The Art of Chinese Culinary Techniques. Chinese culinary techniques have been honed over thousands of years, resulting in a diverse array of cooking methods that are as fascinating as they are delicious. From the rapid stir-frying in a scorching wok to the slow simmering in a clay pot, each technique is designed to coax out the natural flavors of the ingredients while preserving their nutritional value. The mastery of these techniques requires precision, patience, and a deep understanding of the raw materials, making Chinese cooking both an art and a science. Chapter 3: The Role of Ingredients in Chinese Cuisine. The ingredients used in traditional Chinese cuisine are as varied as the country's vast landscape. From the pungent spices of the West to the delicate herbs of the South, each region contributes its own unique flavors to the culinary tapestry of China. Staples such as rice, wheat, and soy form the foundation of many dishes, while an abundance of fresh vegetables, succulent meats, and exotic seafood provide endless possibilities for culinary creativity. The careful selection and preparation of these ingredients are essential to capturing the true essence of Chinese cuisine, ensuring that each dish is a celebration of nature's bounty. Chapter 4: Regional Diversity in Chinese Cuisine. One of the most fascinating aspects of traditional Chinese cuisine is its regional diversity. Each of China's provinces boasts its own unique culinary traditions, shaped by local ingredients, climate, and cultural influences. From the fiery flavors of Sichuan to the light and delicate dishes of Jiangsu, exploring the regional cuisines of China is like embarking on a gastronomic adventure. The diversity of regional cuisines reflects the vastness and complexity of Chinese culture, offering a glimpse into the rich tapestry of traditions that have evolved over centuries. Chapter 5: The Ritual of Chinese Dining. In Chinese culture, dining is not just about satisfying hunger, it is a ritual that brings people together and fosters a sense of community. The traditional Chinese meal is a communal affair, with dishes served family-style and shared among diners. The order of dishes, the use of chopsticks, and the etiquette of dining all contribute to the harmony and conviviality of the meal. From the lively atmosphere of a bustling dim sum restaurant to the intimate setting of a home-cooked feast, the ritual of Chinese dining is a celebration of togetherness and shared enjoyment. Chapter 6: Preserving Tradition in a Modern World. As the world becomes increasingly interconnected, traditional Chinese cuisine faces the challenge of preserving its authenticity in the face of modernization and globalization. While innovations in cooking techniques and the incorporation of foreign ingredients have enriched Chinese cuisine, there is a growing awareness of the importance of preserving traditional culinary practices. Efforts to safeguard traditional recipes, promote sustainable farming practices, and revive ancient cooking methods are underway, ensuring that the legacy of authentic Chinese cuisine endures for generations to come. In conclusion, traditional Chinese cuisine is a treasure trove of culinary delights, steeped in history, culture, and a deep reverence for nature. From the vibrant flavors to the communal rituals, the art of cooking and savoring authentic Chinese dishes offers a glimpse into the soul of a nation. As we continue to explore and appreciate the richness of Chinese cuisine, we not only satisfy our appetites, but also nourish our spirits with the enduring traditions of a timeless culinary heritage.